Beb, game na. Eh, yung ano kaya, you are the one that I... Ay, yung kahapon sinasayaw-sayaw mo. Yung low, low, low. Mga sinasayaw mo kahapon.
Ano ba yung pretty pine?
It is.
Oh, no.
Ay, yung kahapon, yung sky stifler. Meron ka pa sinasayaw dati. Isa yung sinasayaw mo. Yung, hindi, yung katulad kay, kay Bibar.
Kaya naman may Skyflex Fit Oat Fiber Crackers. Merong natural oat fiber to help you stay fit. Skyflex Fit Oat Fiber Crackers. A healthy body. Fit. Take a bite into fitness. Skyflex Fit Oat Fiber Crackers. A healthy body.
Yung ganyan eh.
Free fuel.
Hindi ko na alam.
Pa sexy.
Every 500 pesos single or accumulated purchase of Shell entitles you to a peel-off card. To win, just collect any 6 Shell Fuel
Sex bomb daw kunyari.
point cards with the Shell or Unix logo, and you win
Get.
700 pesos worth of fuel or lubricants absolutely free.
Ay, kay kay Lian. Sayaw.
Instant prizes are up for grabs.
Itak-tak mo.
Gas up at your nearest participating Shell station now. Win free fuel and over 7 million in instant prizes at Shell. So gas up at your nearest participating Shell station now. Ang pananakit ng mga
Isa pa.
very enjoyable sa hirap.
Pwet. Beb, pwet.
Natural na protection mo kontra arthritis. Tumutulong para mas maginhawa at
Beb,
mabuti ang
Beb.
Go forward with Arthro.